Want to use various cryptocurrencies to purchase NFTs, not just CRO? In this video, I'll show you the payment options available for NFT purchases on Crypto.com. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While CRO is the native currency, Crypto.com's NFT marketplace supports multiple payment options for your convenience. The marketplace automatically supports CRO, but you can also use other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins such as USDC and USDT. When making a purchase, check the payment options available for that specific NFT. Some collections may have preferred payment currencies or special requirements. If your preferred crypto isn't directly supported, you can easily swap it for CRO or a supported stablecoin within the Crypto.com app before making your NFT purchase. A crucial pro tip: consider using stablecoins like USDC for NFT purchases to avoid price volatility during the transaction process. Also, factor in gas fees, which can vary significantly between different payment currencies and networks. And just like that, you have flexible payment options for building your NFT collection. Paying with various cryptos lets you use your preferred assets for digital acquisitions. Which cryptocurrency do you prefer for NFT purchases and why? Let me know in the comments. For free NFT opportunities, watch our next video on how to claim Crypto.com NFT airdrop. Thanks for watching.